Ki Khubor Ka Bate Se TV.
ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Umantri Bakhmi Yakatanat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Jongka Sorka Jilla Uba AL Heng Haka Arpwaitrik Unaitung Ajak Pesan Uloong Bakadi Kamram Jongki Deputy Commissioner Jongki District Ban Petngor Yaka Wanrah Beaiñ Yaki Syiar ne Yaki Merat Bamdo Shaka Jilla Haga Jingakrem Gila Pathai Kubor Uba Hek Uloong Bawat Laka Sorkar Kampat Shna Yaki Health Checkgate Henry Kibor Ki Badepet Ki Haban Le Yalaka Jongka Kamram Ban Pentikina Bakanum Don Ka Wanrah Yaki Merat Bamdo Shaka Jilla Claim the examine Daki Doctor Katnat Veterinary
Veterinary department, they are doing their job. The police of the state, they are doing their job. The BSF also, they are doing their job. From time to time, whoever doing anything which is illegal, the competent authority, they are taking their own responsibility. See, the thing is like this, in any court cattle, it is under the chairmanship of the deputy commissioner of that particular district. Until unless the settlement is done by the deputy commissioner, then only it can be handed over to the concerned authority, they will take it. So that is purely because the chairman of the district is the deputy commissioner for the Animals Cruelty Act. To specific case, I will call. Now also will call if you give me the specific case which was been stopped, which one had been kept in that rehabilitation center. Give me the detail. Definitely, I will talk to Deputy Commissioner of that particular district. The government Checkgate has not been established. I told you last time also, the government are going to be established to Checkgate to check the health of any animals who are bringing from outside to the state of Meghalaya. That is one in the Beaiñ district and one is in the Wanrah district.
So till now, then
this is under now. It's almost the Beaiñ district is almost complete. They're going only to do the formalities to take over from the contractor only. That is the thing is pending. But Wanrah is still the work is under progress.
Does that mean that we are?
This is the veterinary department. They have got their own way of doing now without the government checkposts. They are doing their own duty. The DBO of a different district, they are doing their own duty. This is the duty and responsibility of the government to tackle for any problem to bring solutions. They are doing their own mechanism. They know how to do their duty. They are there in the site. They know to do their duty. This is there in the site only. This is not happening in the skate trade. It's happening in the road. The duty of police is there. The duty of BSF is there. The duty of the doctor of veterinary is there. The duty of the custom is there. Everybody, they are into their own duty to accomplish their own responsibility.
Wat penleno yakani kakabu ki sopti etho ki babha bat shongdor nadu sa po hajar hadu hnriu po hajar tingka menta philaban yo hagador lai po hajar tingka ya ki sopti etho ba shongdor hinyo po hajar chaneng phinyo tang san po hajar tingka tang kata ka wei ka sopti ka de ka wei ka design tang na ka binta jongpi wan jit nok loi na molai moro bat na mot pran pho no menta hau khandai saw lai hnriu san pra hinyo lai pra